Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today's YouTube tutorial is going to be on how to get your stream key. Now what a stream key is essentially is a line of random numbers, kind of like a passcode in a way, but it's used to identify where the broadcasting software is supposed to broadcast to. So to get it, it's through Twitch. This is another Twitch tutorial essentially, and you want to go to your tab up here. It says like your username, and then it has like a drop down arrow, and then you want to go to dashboard. And once you're there, you can go to under settings, channel, and then it says primary stream key. Now I'm not going to show mine, so that way I don't have to reset it, but then all you do is got to hit copy, and it says copied, and then you can minimize this and drag over your broadcaster. Bam! Right? Bam! And then what you would do is go into settings up top here, and then what you can do is go to output, I think? No, stream. And then you would paste that down here. Control V or Command V, or no, Command V, I think, for Mac. And then you leave server as auto as recommended, or you can pick the closest one to you. And obviously the service is Twitch. And then you click done, and then you're ready to go live, man. That's as simple as it is. Sometimes it can be tricky to find, especially when you're new to streaming, so I figured I'd make a video on it, at least a small video that I could put together for you guys. I wanted to keep my streak of putting a video every week out, and I failed, so I do apologize, but I have more videos on the way. I have another Discord tutorial coming out, and not like an unboxing, but I guess a review on the Scimitar Pro Corsair mouse. If you guys are interested, obviously click the notification bell when that goes live. Obviously you'll get notified to see those videos. If this video helped, obviously leave a thumbs up. That lets me know that these videos are actually benefiting you guys, and as always guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.